AP, rocking that AP.
I wonder how many of the chosen are here? And do you know that our time is near? How many of the chosen actually in here right now, in this space that we inhabit, in this place? Wow, and actually see it for what it is. Serious question I am asking all of you. Is any of you the chosen people, or the chosen few? Because you would know it deep inside. You would feel it because you hide from everybody here that you see, because you see their hearts are not true, and it makes your heart bleed. I know, because I'm there with you, and I've been there for a long time. It's not nice, don't feel alright every day and every night. It's like a struggle inside to hold your head high, and I can see you because it is I. Do you understand what I'm saying? We all one thing. Same thoughts, same mind, same way, same place, same humankind. And we are here and our time is now. I know you see it, so let's all bow to the true King. And listen to these words, they're coming out of my mouth. Hear what I sing? You know the King. It's time to change and it's time to bring the love and let the light out. Open up your soul and it is right now. Your time is here and your time is now. Wake up the world and help them out. I know it sounds corny to you, but that's because you're not living from the heart center too. And that's okay. One day you will see the yeah. You get it. I know you get it. The chosen few. I'm talking to you. Yeah, I feel it too. Time is here, and it is now. Figure it out. Let the light out. Make it bright out. Time to change the system. Love y'all.